How's it going, everyone? I just wanted to record a quick little video on a little visual upgrade that I've always wanted to do for this car. So I never hated these amber corner lights, but it didn't really match anything else on this car since it's blue with gray accents. The other day I noticed a little crack in this corner light, which motivated me to go online and find a pair of clear corner lights. So I ended up going OEM. Someone on the UZJ100 Facebook group was selling them. And I know that they sell non-OEM branded, or depot branded, I believe, corner lights. So I'm not sure if the installation process will be the exact same for those. And here are the part numbers if anyone is interested. First off, all you have to do is just pop the hood, and then on either side there's just a single Phillips head that you'll want to unscrew. Be careful not to drop these because they are pretty small, and down there looks like a pain to get out. So after you remove that single screw, the corner light is loose, but it's still stuck on. So what you'll need to do is grab a pry tool like this, get up underneath here, and pull up and outwards until it comes out loose. So once you pry it loose, it's just a matter of pulling it all the way out. A little difficult with one hand. And then you'll want to rotate this light to pull the lamp out. Now the corner lamp is free. And it's just a matter of swapping it out with the new one. I'll try my best to record this side. Just like that. Alright, finally, that one was a little bit of a pain. Once again, just rotate this and the bulb is free. Awesome. I'm really excited to see these on the car. Of course, it wouldn't be a car project without an issue. So I don't know if you could tell, but that shape is different ever so slightly with that. I'll see if I can take like a screenshot and put them up side by side. But what I'll have to do is just get in with a little Dremel or knife and file out extra sections so these will fit. Just a tiny little bit of sawing on the top right and the bottom left. And just a matter of plugging the bulbs back in and reinstalling it. And of course, putting these screws back in. And there we go, just like that. Quick little 15-minute project. The clears are really subtle, but I like how they look. I'll go out on the street and take a few other clips so you can get an idea of what it will look like. Thanks for watching this quick little video. Let me know in the comments if you like these clear corner lights or if you prefer the ambers.